1, 2, 3, come play with me. 4, 5, 6, we'll stir and mix. 7, 8, 9, you're a friend of mine. 10, let's do it again with Lulu and Munch.
And Munch!
With Lulu and Munch.
And Munch!
Come, let's play, I have a hunch with Lulu and Munch.
Munch!
Hi, Munch kids. Welcome back. It's good to see you again. Have you seen Munch? I can't find Munch anywhere. Oh, I found you! You silly Munch. Today we are going to talk about Oobleck.
Oobleck.
It's a funny word, right? Can you say it with me? Oobleck. It's a fun recipe that you can make with your mommies and daddies, and it only has 2 simple ingredients. We have cornstarch, and we have water. All right, let's get mixing. Here comes the cornstarch.
Puff.
Now add some colors. Blue,
Blue.
purple, there's the water. Splash. Let's get mixing.
Wow. Sticky.
You can make a ball. Look at that ball.
Oh,
It turned to liquid.
Sparkles! Hey!
Gold glitter. Mix it in. Let's add more colors. Blue and red.
More colors.
Mix, mix, mix. That was fantastical! Thank you for helping me, Munch. You are such a good helper. See you next time, Munch kids.